ensures precise torque application, prevents over-tightening, improves safety, enhances reliability, and is essential for automotive, mechanical, and industrial maintenance tasks. My today's video is about top 5 best digital torque wrench that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Matework Digital Torque Wrench. This plus or minus 1% accuracy 3/8-inch digital torque wrench stands out as a precision-focused tool designed for both professionals and serious DIY users. Its wide 5 to 99.5 FTLB, 6.7 to 135 Newton meters range, combined with real-time LCD readout and ASME traceable calibration, ensures dependable torque control for critical fastening tasks. The dual peak and trace modes, along with support for 5 measurement units, add flexibility across automotive, motorcycle, and mechanical applications. Efficiency is enhanced with 500 data storage entries and 10 preset values, reducing repetitive setup time. The progressive LED and buzzer alert system provides clear, layered feedback to prevent over-tightening, while the 72-tooth ratchet head improves usability in tight spaces. Build quality is reinforced with CRV steel construction and a comfortable anti-slip grip. Easy battery operation, auto shut-off, and a full accessory kit further improve convenience. Now our second product is a Suzoom Digital Torque Wrench. The Suzoom 3 of 8-inch digital torque wrench delivers a strong balance of precision, durability, and usability, making it suitable for both professional technicians and DIY users. With plus or minus 2% accuracy validated through 20,000 calibration tests and long-term stability over 15,000 plus uses without recalibration, it provides dependable torque consistency for demanding applications. The clear digital interface, combined with audible alarms and progressive LED indicators, green at 85 to 90% and red at 100%, ensures users can prevent over-tightening with confidence. Its peak and track modes enhance versatility, allowing real-time monitoring or capturing maximum torque values, while the 72-tooth ratchet head with a 5-degree swing improves efficiency in tight spaces. Built from high-grade chrome vanadium steel with an ergonomic grip, it offers both strength and comfort during extended use. Multi-unit support and data storage further enhance practicality across automotive, machinery, and aerospace tasks. The third product is Can Active Digital Torque Wrench. This 3 of 8-inch digital torque wrench delivers a strong blend of precision, durability, and all-in-one versatility, making it well-suited for both professional mechanics and serious DIY users. With stated plus or minus 1% average accuracy backed by extensive 50,000 test validation and stable performance over 30,000 uses, it promises long-term reliability without recalibration. The large LED display with auto backlight ensures excellent visibility in low-light environments, while the audible and visual alarm system, green at 85 to 90%, red at 100%, helps prevent over-tightening and protects fasteners. Peak and track modes provide both maximum torque capture and real-time monitoring, and the 72-tooth reversible ratchet improves usability in confined spaces with quick-release convenience. Constructed from chrome molybdenum steel with ergonomic handling, it balances strength and comfort during extended use. The inclusion of multiple accessories, preset modes, and 4-unit conversions makes it a truly multi-purpose kit for automotive, bike, motorcycle, and industrial applications, offering excellent value and workshop readiness in one package. Now number 4, Gronier Digital Torque Wrench. This Gronier 3/8 digital torque wrench offers a practical balance of precision, responsiveness, and workshop versatility, making it suitable for both professional mechanics and DIY users. With plus or minus 2% accuracy across a 5 to 99.6 FTLB, 6.8 to 135 Newton meters range, it delivers dependable torque control for a wide variety of fastening tasks. The real-time no-delay LED display is a standout feature, allowing users to instantly monitor torque changes as force is applied, improving accuracy during live adjustments. 6 preset modes and storage for up to 500 data records enhance workflow efficiency, especially for repetitive or professional use where tracking matters. Safety is reinforced through audible buzzer alerts and flashing LED indicators that activate near and at target torque, reducing the risk of over-tightening. The ergonomic non-slip handle improves comfort during extended use, while the backlit display ensures readability in low-light conditions. With multiple adapters, sockets, and a durable storage case included, it functions as a complete, ready-to-use torque solution. And our last choice is Eurboard Digital Torque Wrench. This digital torque wrench delivers a strong combination of precision, flexibility, and user-focused design, making it well-suited for automotive, bike, and general mechanical work. Its wide 1.5 to 99.5 FTLBS, 6.8 to 135 Newton meters. Torque range covers both light and heavy-duty applications, while the claimed plus or minus 1% accuracy ensures reliable and consistent fastening control. The inclusion of peak and track modes adds significant versatility. Peak mode captures maximum applied torque, while track mode provides real-time feedback for continuous adjustment. Multi-layer alerts through vibration, buzzer, and LED indicators improve safety by clearly signaling when target torque is reached, reducing the risk of over or under-tightening. The dual-direction reversible ratchet enhances usability in tight or awkward spaces, making it more practical in real workshop conditions. With 4 unit conversions, NM, KGFCM, LBFT, LBN, displayed on a clear high-definition LED screen, it offers excellent adaptability across different standards. What do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.